Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set the sat nav. I'm having to do it all again because I forgot and I left the TV on and it was on the dual screen, so no doubt from here you would be able to see the TV and wouldn't know what I was talking about. So here we go again. So from any screen, say for instance, well, from the home menu, you can do a couple of things. First of all, I'm going to cancel the guidance because I just set it up. So that's guidance cancelled. But when it goes back, you can see there, it's a quick way, destination entry, or you can go into nav like so, and then click destination entry there. But that's from the menu, it's a quick setup. We want postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltneydale, Preston, PR 5 4 JS, and then click OK, click go.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
Now if for any reason you don't hear the audio instructions, if you go to nav menu, you'll see there route voice guidance, and that sometimes can be knocked off, or if you're getting near home, you can cancel route voice guidance or cancel guidance completely. So we'll cancel guidance. That's how you do the sat nav. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. So from any screen, you can either click phone, or if you're on the home menu, you've got please pair phone there, and it'll go to search for new. We want to make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. Just trying to move that up, I keep knocking it off the screen. So search for new, click search for new. You're better doing it from vehicle to device rather than from device to vehicle. There you go, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, so we'll click on that. Just wait for it to come up on here. So 056 to pair and connect phone, 0569 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Range Rover connected. Another great thing with this system is if you go to your music, if you look at the bottom there, whatever's playing, Range Rover, just highlight, just touch that. You see there's a tick next to Range Rover. That means whatever plays on your phone audio, so long as you've got it set up right in the car, it will play through these fantastic Meridian speakers. So what's playing at the moment? Let's just say we'll click play on that, turn it down, but click play, and then over to the system we go to audio. Now that's on USB at the moment, and you see if you click source, that's the TV. So what you need to do is click music again, just wait a second for that to clear, and you'll see there's a plus at the side there. So if you click on plus next to source, now it gives you the option to select the phone. I'm going to turn this up, and then quickly turn this up, and that's it. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Range Rover Vogue SE. So we'll just clear that. So from any screen, if you go to phone, if there's nothing connected already, it will show you the phones that are listed, and then you can delete. At the moment there's only mine being connected to this system, so Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. That's it, gone.